Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese yellow. Many people wonder why some cheeses have that distinct golden color while others remain white. The answer often involves natural coloring agents, which are quite simple to incorporate into your cheese-making process. We'll explore the most common and effective ways to achieve that beautiful, vibrant hue, ensuring your homemade cheese looks as appealing as it tastes. Get ready to add a lovely, natural yellow to your next batch. One of the most popular and effective ways to color cheese is by using annatto seed extract. This natural dye comes from the seeds of the achiote tree and has been used for centuries. It's incredibly potent, meaning you only need a very small amount, often just a few drops, to transform your cheese from white to a rich yellow or even a deep orange. It's a simple addition that makes a big visual difference. Beyond annatto, beta-carotene is another excellent natural option for yellowing cheese. This pigment, famously found in carrots and other plants, provides a lovely yellow-orange tint. Interestingly, some cheeses naturally develop a yellow color due to the cow's diet, especially when they graze on fresh, beta-carotene-rich grass. So, the color can sometimes be a natural reflection of the animal's feed, adding to the cheese's character. Achieving your desired shade of yellow is all about careful measurement and gradual addition. A good starting point might be around 1/4 teaspoon of coloring agent for every 10 gallons of milk, but always adjust to your preference. It's crucial to mix the coloring thoroughly into the milk before you add the rennet, ensuring an even and consistent color throughout your cheese. Experiment a little to find your perfect golden hue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.